Greetings from the Sunshine State of Jacksonville, Florida, USA. Good evening, brothers and sisters, friends and guests. For family unity, respect, and love, as the spirit of the Lalagon, Metro Manila, Lalagon, was conceived more than 55 years ago, in 1968, by the dreams of Manoy Loreto and Manay Pilar at the residence of Rosario and Juan Vega in Project 3, Quezon City. All things turned together for good for those who loved the Lord. As now, all of us are proud to belong, as yes, family is forever. At 98, living one day at a time, I don't know what the future holds, but I know who holds my future. So any kindness that I can do, let me do it now. I might not pass this way again. So I am sharing a family prayer that a pilgrim gave me while at the Holy Land. It beautifully includes all that our Lalagon stands for: unity, respect, love, courage, and forgiveness. Let me read the family prayer that the pilgrim gave me while at the Holy Land. A family prayer. God, Father, Son, and Spirit, you created us in love and gave us to a family to be loved by and to love. Bring us closer to you and to each other so that there can be more caring and sharing, more healing and helping, more loving and giving. Help us to realize anew each day that we belong to a family, whether it is large or small, young or old, good or bad, whole or fragmented, together or apart, happy or sad, close or distant. You have said that whenever we are gathered in your name, you would be present. We are gathered in spirit, in your name. Bless us and help us always to pray for each other in love. God, I pray now for my family and for all families of the earth. Bring us closer to you and to each other in love, strength, courage, and forgiveness. Give us love and understanding. Give us an ever deeper encounter with you and each other in prayer and presence. Give us the gift of praying together, in spirit at least, if not physically. Give us a tremendous sense of our vocation and mission to bring you to our everyday world, both as individuals and as a family. and give us the gift of commitment to you, along with others, in building of a God-centered family and society. Through our family prayer, in whatever form it takes, let us enter into a covenant with you that will bring about an attitude which will draw us into a closer union with you and into love and service of each other. Turn to us and give our families your peace. This was given to me by a pilgrim while at the Holy Land. Whatever days are left by the Lord in our life's journey, let us fill them with love, prayers, peace, and joy. Let us always have the gift of faith, the blessings of hope, and the peace of His love at this time and always. Continue and pass on the good works. My only regret is I was not given the chance to see and be a part of the splendid growth and success of our Lalawagan, Metro Manila, which I was a part when it was conceived, since we left the country more than 50 years ago. But join me in joyful thanksgiving beyond measure for the pride I have for all of your good works. God bless you all and carry on. Give it your best, and God will do the rest. Love, prayers, and blessings to all in the family. In God's love, Rosario Santelices Alberto Vega.